Hello and welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to create this beautiful rolling text animation in After Effects. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So let us start by creating a new composition. Now I will add a solid layer for the background. Okay. Now the next step is to add text. So we'll type our text here and then align it to the center of the screen like so. Now we'll pre-compose this text layer, then go inside the pre-composition, and then the next step is to click here on this button which says region of interest, and then we will select our text. Like so, and then go into the composition and select crop composition to region of interest like so. Now go back to your main composition and then we are going to add an effect here. So let us add effect called offset. Just drag this and drop it onto our pre-composition. Now the next step is to duplicate the pre-composition as many times as many letters we have. So we have total 6 letters, so we will be having 6 pre-compositions. So now I will duplicate 5 more. 1 2 3 4 5, and then I'll rename them with the letters. Like so. Now the next step is to select our rectangle tool and draw a mask to each individual pre-composition for each individual letter. So now for M, draw a mask around our M. Then go to O, draw a mask around the O. Like this, we are going to continue with the rest of the letters. There we go. Now the next step is take the indicator 4 seconds forward and then start adding a keyframe to shift center to. Okay, so let us do this for all the letters like so. Now move the indicator to the beginning of the timeline and now change these values, the Y values for shift center to the way I do it. Just go to here and then I will just select all these pre-composition and press U so that we can see our keyframes. Now we'll start with M. We'll begin with the negative value minus 1500. Okay. So here you can adjust it the way you want it. So you can adjust it. Then for the next letter, we will have positive value which is plus 1500. So like this we are going to do alternatively, negative 1500, positive 1500, like this. Okay. Now that we are done with this, our basic animation is ready. So there we go. So now we'll be adding some easy ease to this. Okay. So let us select all our keyframes. Move this slightly above. So now we'll select all our keyframes and then press F9. So let us play this. Okay. So now let us go into the graph editor and select our points and then move this like so. So there you go. Now to add the shadow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the recompositions and then I'll pre-compose all of them together like so, and then go into effects and add a drop shadow effect to this pre-composition. Change this value to 15 and then change this also 15 like so. So there you go. Your final animation is ready. Let me play this out for you. So guys, I hope you liked this video tutorial. If you did like this tutorial, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, have a good day.